Why are there not more people talking about hiccups? Let's unravel this quirky body mystery together. Hiccups start when your diaphragm, that's the muscle right under your lungs, starts to spasm. When it spasms, it pulls down in a quick, jerky motion. This makes you suck air into your throat suddenly. The sudden rush of air causes your vocal cords to close abruptly, which creates that familiar hiccup sound. Most hiccups happen for no particular reason, and they usually stop on their own. But did you know? Hiccups can be caused by eating too quickly, drinking fizzy drinks, or even feeling super excited or nervous. So next time you're hiccuping away, remember, it's just your diaphragm doing a little dance.